Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add WhatsApp button on Godaddy website. First, go to whatsapp.io/widget or create a website link using wa.me/your phone number. After that, log in to Godaddy and open your website builder. Now, go to the page or section where you want to add the button. Then, add a button or HTML section in your website editor. Paste the WhatsApp link in the button's URL or insert an embed code for a floating button. Here, save and publish your site. Then test the button to ensure it works.